Using your computer featuring the Windows 10 operating system, sometimes we may need to work and be productive, and sometimes we may just want to have fun. There are a variety of apps that we can use depending on what we need to do. Some apps come pre-installed on your computer, like Calculator or Notepad. But you can also install new apps on your computer. Using Windows 10, you can find and install apps from the Microsoft Store app. Let's open the Microsoft Store app. We can find it in your Start menu. If it isn't there, just type it in the search box. Apps can be found here in the Apps section of the store. Think about apps as tools which fall into different categories. Featured apps will always appear at the top. There are best-selling apps, top free and paid apps, seasonal apps, etc. And at the bottom, you can filter apps by category. Looking for an app so you can watch sports or keep up with your favorite teams? You can find it in the sports category. An app to help you manage your books or track your portfolio? You will find those apps in the personal finance category. For instance, Microsoft Whiteboard is an app I need on my computer for work. To install it on my computer, I just click on the app, and then within the app page, click Get. From there, it will download and install the app on my computer, and then I'll be ready to work. Certain types of files require a certain type of application to open it. Notice when we attempt to open a text file and select Open With, we have a handful of text editing applications to choose from. If we look at a photo and select Open With, we are presented with several applications to choose from to either view the photo or edit the photo. The Open With selection will be different depending on the file you're looking to open. Once you become familiar with the types of apps you can use on your computer, you will always have the tools you need to get things done.